Beth Joyner. I'm here to pick up my 67 Cougar. I bought the car 5 years ago from a lady in Floyd County, and I had no idea that there was so much that was going to be involved with the restoration of the car. So I'm going to be just as surprised as everybody else when I see the final verdict, I know. This surpasses anything I ever thought that I would see out of this car. I am truly happy with everything about it. The color is perfect. I had picked this color out. It's actually a BMW color, and I thought this would be perfect for the car. Man, it just takes my breath away. Now the biggest thing is just perfecting how to drive a 5-speed now. We'll see what happens.